in. Now remember, your arches are on the foot bar, so make sure you're on the middle of your foot. Right there. That's the difference. Same thing. That's 3. It's a little different. 2 and 1. Bring it all the way in. Place your heels onto the foot bar, please, at this time. Flex at the ankle joint and spread the toes. Inhale, slide the carriage out. Exhale, resist, bring it in. Inhale, out. Exhale, in. Spread the toes as if you're at the nail salon. Fighting against the springs, finding your own resistance. Last 3, 2. Now bring it halfway in, let's pulse it out. Can you hug that ball a little bit more using your inner thighs and glutes? Couple more. And then push it all the way out. Bend the knees, bring it back in. Now, place the ball underneath your glutes at this time. And go back onto your toes. Right underneath your glutes. Yep. Okay. Once you feel like it's in a secure spot underneath your glutes, go back onto your toes. And let's have your feet parallel. Hands stay down. Zip your knees and ankles together if you can. Go ahead and slide the carriage out. Hold it there. We have hand and stretch or back raises in this position. Heels go under, heels lift. Heels under, heels lift. So just instantly try to straighten out your legs a little bit more by pressing the back of the knees down. Yes. Keep pressing your glutes into the ball. I like it here because it opens up your thighs and your hips a little bit more than maybe what you're used to. Last 3, 2, 1. Lift the heels up high for running. Lower one heel under the foot bar and switch. Your goal is to try to keep your pelvis still so that ball tells you the truth whether or not your pelvis is shifting. The knees go up and down, but your pelvis and your hips stay still. So really concentrate on those pieces. There you go. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and lift both heels high, bend the knees, and bring it in. All right, please grab your ball, place it in between your knees now. Your headrest goes down for bridging. Now, you are on a high red and a blue. If this feels too intense for your hamstrings, let me know. I can add a spring on there for you. I would recommend maybe adding a red if you need 3 springs. So go ahead, if you want to make that choice, go ahead and do it at this time. Okay? You're on the fences, do it, absolutely do it. All right, place your heels onto the foot bar, all right? Hands down by your sides. We start with the hinge bridge. Inhale, lift your hips straight up towards the ceiling in one solid piece. Hug that ball with your inner thighs and reach your knees away from your body. Exhale, bring your hips back down. Inhale, float your hips up, reach the knees away. Pull your abdominals in. Exhale, bring your hips back down. Last 2, inhale, lift up, reach the knees away, hug the ball, and come back down. One more, inhale, lift up. Can you press your heels firm into the football? Yeah, there you go. Okay? Now pulse your hips up and down, and pulse, pulse, pulse. That's it. As you're pulsing, I want you to press your triceps firm into the carriage to help you maintain that lift. You're here for 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your hips down in one solid piece. Blend sway your legs side to side. All right. So now let's work in a staggered stance. So stay on your right heel and go into the ball of your left foot, or you can go into the arch of your left foot. Either or works. All right. Inhale, articulating bridge. Lift your lower back, middle back, and upper back all the way up while you're in that staggered stance. And then come down, upper back, middle back, and lower back. There you go. Inhale, curl, and lift your lower back, middle back, and upper back all all the way up. Hug that ball using your inner thighs. And then come down. Upper, middle, lower. One more time. Inhale, curl, lift your lower back, middle back, and upper back all the way up. Stay there. Hug the ball using your inner thighs. Keep this connection. Can you extend your left leg up towards the ceiling? See, I got you. Hug that ball. Hold it here. Hug, release. Hug, release. I want you to use the strength of your left inner thigh to find that nice squeeze. Flex your right foot a little bit more. Yeah, last 4, 3, 2, 1. Place your foot back down. Bring your hips down, upper back, middle back, and lower back. Switch feet. Think this what you think you know what I'm going to do. All right. Articulating bridge. Lift your lower back, middle back, and upper back all the way up. And then come down, upper, middle, lower. Just 3 more before we add on. Go ahead and peel the spine off the carriage. Make sure you're flexing your foot. There you go. And then come back down. Upper back, middle back, and lower back. Last 2. Go ahead and peel the spine up. Reaching the fingertips away. Hands are pressing down. Pull your abs in, pull your ribcage in. There you go. And then come down. Upper, middle, lower. Last one. Curl and come up. Hold it on the up. Squeeze that ball. Find little mini pulses with your hips. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now try to keep the carriage still. Bring that carriage in. Make sure it's closed if you can. Now, extend your right leg up towards the ceiling if it's available. Go ahead and start squeezing that ball in and out using the strength of your right inner thigh. 8, 7, 6. Can you lift your right hip a little higher so it can drop? 2, 1. And bend your knee and place the foot back down. Woo! Let's go into your arches. One more. Bridge extension. So keep the ball where it is, please. All right? Just know that if you are on 3 springs, it might be harder to push out, but you'll feel a little bit more stable and supported, okay? All right, so let's articulate. Lift your lower back, middle back, and upper back all the way up. Hug that ball using your inner thighs. Make sure your triceps are pressing down into the carriage so you stay away from the shoulder block, not to change it. Inhale, slide the carriage out all the way. Exhale, resist, bring it in, using your glutes and hammies. Inhale, slide it out, pushing from your quads. Exhale, drag it in from your hammies. Inhale, out from the quads. Exhale, drag it in from the hammies. Last 2, inhale, out. Exhale, drag it in. 1 more, inhale, out. Hold it there, hug it. 3, 2, 1. Drag it all the way in and bring your hips down. Well done. Keep the ball where it is. Bring your legs up towards the ceiling for a nice hamstring stretch. Flex your feet and point. Just try to keep the ball where it is if you can. 3, 2, 1. Maybe you reach for your toes, deepening the stretch. Flex your feet. You get a beautiful stretch right along the back of the legs. 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and bend your knees. Place your hands underneath your kneecaps. Okay? All right. Hug that ball. All right? We did this one, I think, yesterday. A couple of days ago. So we're going to try it again. So squeeze the ball. And then exhale. Do a chest lift. Hold that chest lift and start to rock up onto the bony parts of your butt. So that way you are in a seated position here. Yeah. There you go. And then inhale. Go all the way back. There you go. And exhale, squeeze, and curl. Up, up, up. Feel free to use your elbows and form the fusion. Inhale, come back. It's really hard with the ball. It's much harder with the ball. I mean, it's hard in general, but it's hard with the ball. 3 more. Hug the ball and curl up, balancing onto your tailbone. Try to keep your legs off the foot bar if you can. And then roll the spine back down. Last 2. curl, and come up. Squeeze the wall. I want you to use the same amount of effort on the way down. Slowly articulate the spine like you're doing bridging. One more time. And exhale, curl, and come up. Balance here. Can you straighten your legs over the foot bar? Woo, you lost it. Straighten it. Straighten it. 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees and slowly articulate your spine back down. Let's now place the ball in between your ankles now. All right, that was our abdominal warm-up. Now we're going to some ab work here. All right, so if you want to put your head rest back up, go ahead and put it back up at this time. Okay? All right, please find tabletop position with the legs. Make a Pilates V with your feet at this time. So remember, tabletop means that, there you go, toes are on line with kneecaps. Go ahead and exhale, chest lift up, eyes to belly button. Inhale, straighten your legs away from the body. Turn your feet out and rack your seat. Pull your glutes together. Now, begin pumping the arms up and down for the 100. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. No air in between the fingers. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more, because I'm going to change it up. Last one. Now place your hands behind your head, elbows wide, double leg, lower lift. Exhale, lift your legs up. Inhale, reach the legs towards the springboard to lower. Exhale, float up. Inhale, reach to lower. Last 3, exhale, up. Inhale, reach lower, squeeze that ball. Exhale, up. Inhale, squeeze the lower one. Let the wind almost there. Exhale, lift up, bend the knees, and crisscross. Bring your left elbow towards your right knee. Hold that.